Manish wrote his first line of code at 12 years old. Back then, it was Dreamweaver, visual interfaces, and tinkering with websites just for fun.
It just kind of fit together. It was like solving a puzzle. Yeah, it's like building a new Lego set every time you finish a problem.
That early love for logic and creativity never left. But after enrolling in a traditional software engineering degree, Manish felt stuck. The curriculum leaned too heavy on theory, not enough on building.
Didn't really sit right with me. I think a lot of the curriculum was more on the lower level stuff, and I really wanted to build stuff like I used to do in middle school, like actually building websites, apps, and stuff.
He needed a way to reconnect with the kind of coding that felt like creation, not just computation. While still in university, Manish joined Front-End Simplified's bootcamp, not as a replacement, but as a launchpad.
Kind of took the boot camp as like another stepping stone in like a more lateral direction to kind of jump off of.
What clicked wasn't just the curriculum. It was real-world structure, project-based learning, internships built into the program, mentorship that pointed him to high-leverage parts that he hadn't even considered. He sped through the 6-week curriculum in just 6 days. But the biggest growth came afterward, applying what he learned in the real world. Manish didn't wait for job offers, he created opportunities, building boutique websites for barbershops and tattoo artists in his local area, freelancing to fill gaps on his resume with real deliverables.
And I used that as experience on my resume. And yeah, I got my first role as I finished my second year in university.
Manish landed a web developer role at a marketing agency, and then from there, he jumped into a role at a mining company, and then he leveled up again.
I applied to a couple roles in big tech and I ended up landing TikTok.
Yes, TikTok. Today, Manish works as a front-end engineer at one of the world's largest tech companies, something he once dreamed of answering in a middle school classroom. And while it may sound like luck,
And it's not luck, it's you diligently working towards honing your craft, whether that be freelance work, whether that be in university, whether that be in a marketing agency, a mining company, wherever it may be. You did a lot of projects and they've all come together to build a skill set that is compelling to get hired at a big tech company.
now Manish's work is global, and so is his mindset. He goes to the gym every morning, he eats intentionally, he's focused on self-development. He doesn't just write code now, he owns his career.
Work is great. Work is amazing. You obviously have fun working at scale at such a big tech company, but that has had such a positive impact on my self-esteem and my self-confidence.
If you're interested in learning how you could do the same, check out the link in the description. You can own your career too.